A Monticello sewer system project will give the city cleaner water, but it's also going to raise the sewage bills of residents.
News 18's Samantha Tiki reports on how much of a spike residents will see on their sewage bill.
On Monday, the Monticello City Council voted to move forward on a more than $15 million project to make upgrades to the city's sewage system, including the city's wastewater treatment facility. But Monticello Mayor Ken Houston says with the new project comes an increase in utility fees.
It is going to increase the rates for the citizens of Monticello. It just is.
Houston says residents will see a 34% increase in their sewage bills, but says the short-term cost will make a long-term impact on the area's fresh water.
We're going to have an expansion that's going to help us with the upgrades and our treatment capacity so that we can handle more of the combined sewer overflow at our plant and then reduce the amount of overflow that's going into state waters.
Houston says the updates are mandatory in order for the city to meet federal requirements of combined sewage overflow into freshwater. He says although the rules regarding overflow are enforced federally, the improvements are not funded by the government. A low-interest loan was used to fund the project, and sewage rates will increase to cover those costs.
It seems to have hit us pretty hard here in Monticello because we've only got 2,500 customers to help spread this cost over.
Although Monticello residents will see a sewage rate increase, Houston says the city must meet the federal mandates regarding CSOs. He says it will not only improve conditions of the sewage system in Monticello, it will improve the water quality for residents.
That's what this is all about, and making sure that any waters that go into the waters of the state of Indiana have been treated.
Houston says the city has been making improvements over the last several years to meet the federal mandates. There will be a public hearing at the Monticello City Building at 6 p.m. July 21st for people to learn more about the project. In Monticello, Samantha Tiki, News 18.